In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage account permissions in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know how to find your connected mailboxes, add a new one like Google, Outlook.com, AOL, or another Yahoo account, and remove access when you no longer need it. Think of these connections as permissions you grant to Yahoo Mail so it can read, send, and organize messages from other inboxes in one place. Start by opening your browser and going to yahoo.com. In the top right corner, click Sign In and log into your account. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo site, and for extra safety, consider using two-step verification. Once you're signed in, click the Mail icon in the top right to open Yahoo Mail. Inside Yahoo Mail, look to the right and open Settings, the gear icon. A small panel appears. Scroll to the bottom and click More Settings to open the full settings page. On the left side, choose Mailboxes. This is your mailbox list where you'll see all accounts currently connected to Yahoo Mail. If it's empty, you haven't linked any external accounts yet, which means no extra permissions have been granted. To grant access to another inbox, click Add Mailbox. You'll be offered several options. Choose Google if you want to connect Gmail, Outlook.com for Microsoft accounts such as Outlook, Hotmail, or Live, AOL for AOL Mail, or select Yahoo to link another Yahoo address. After you choose a provider, you'll be redirected to that service's sign-in page. Carefully review what you're allowing, typically permission to read, send, and sync your email, and then confirm to complete the connection. If your other account uses additional security, follow the prompts from that provider to finish securely. Once connected, the account will appear in your mailbox list, and your Yahoo Mail will start syncing. This lets you manage messages from multiple accounts right from one inbox using the permissions you just granted. If you decide you no longer want Yahoo Mail to access a linked account, you can revoke that permission from the same mailbox's page. Click the existing mailbox you want to remove, then choose Delete. Confirm the removal. This stops further syncing and effectively withdraws the permission, while any emails already copied into Yahoo may remain for your records. That's it. You've learned how to access settings, review your mailbox list, add a new provider, and remove one cleanly. Regularly check your mailboxes to keep permissions up to date and only grant access you're comfortable with. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to review your connected accounts now to keep everything tidy and secure.